Just renaming the track so the mixer will have an idea of what we've done. If you didn't label everything, it would just say record 1, record 2, record 3, record 4, record 5, record 6, record 7, and you wouldn't know. Here's where it gets a little... So I need to call this counter grabs.
I need to call it Mega Foley.
Well, we should name every track that, really. Paper bag, coffee maker, wires. See, that's not a lid on the ground at all. That is a hand on top.